Okay, now we've got Ruby installed and we've got RubyMine installed. Let's see if we can go a little bit further and try and take control of a web browser and get it to do some stuff. So to start off with, we're going to have to install Selenium, which is actually really easy with Ruby. You've got these things called gems, and those are the libraries that you'll be using when you need to have access to a certain piece of functionality. So in this case, Selenium. So if we at the bottom here click on terminal, that will give you access to the terminal window here in the IDE, and just type gem space install space Selenium hyphen web driver and press enter, and just allow access to that. Cool, that's Selenium installed, and we're also going to need Cucumber. So same again, but this time gem install space, type Cucumber instead of Selenium and enter. Lovely. Okay, let's just delete this, and what we're going to do here is we'll go into further detail about what we're doing here later on, but to start off with, let's just see if it's all running and we can actually talk to a web browser. So I'm going to write require, so this is just telling our program here that we require the Selenium library. So let's see if we can get access to that yet. Selenium hyphen web driver and driver, and then let's create a driver here. Selenium colon web driver dot for, and here's where we just specify the browser that we want to use. So we're going to use Chrome to start with, and let's just check if that actually opens up a browser. So let's just right click here, and this shouldn't work just yet. Right, that failed, and we can see that we don't currently have a driver for Chrome. We've been given a URL here that we can go to go and grab the driver for Chrome, and we've got lots of different versions here. Let's just double check the version of Chrome that we're using. So I go to settings and click on about somewhere. About Chrome. You can see that we're using version 76. So let's grab a driver for version 76. We'll get this one here. It's the latest version for 76. We want the Windows version. We've got 3 versions here. We've got a Linux version, Mac, and Windows. Obviously, we want Windows. So let's click that. Go to folder. And let's right click and extract here. Let's just overwrite the old one. Cool. Let's copy this and let's put it in our Ruby bin folder. So go to Ruby, wherever you installed your version of Ruby, and within that folder you'll see there should be a bin folder. Let's just put the driver in there, and now let's try and run this test again. Cool, and there you go. You can see that it's just opened up a browser and closed it again. And we've got exit code 0, which is good, which means everything went according to plan. If something goes wrong, you generally see a 1 there. But that's great. Let's go one step further here, and we'll try and get it to navigate to a website. So let's go to driver.navigate.to, and let's go to http://www. I don't know. Let's go to microsoft.com. Let's run that again. There you go, automation. Open up a browser, went to a URL, everything is running according to plan. I think we're all set up and ready to try and do something a little bit more interesting now.